Have you ever finished sewing a dress and the client says, "Auntie, is this 5,000 naira?" And you just agree because you don't know what to charge? Today, I'll be giving you my exact pricing formula so you never sew at a loss again. So if it is something you are interested in, save this video. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I teach sewing plus how to make money from it from home. Most tailors fail not because they can't sew, but because they price wrongly. So let's fix that. First of all, add everything you are going to use to sew the style. The main fabric, the lining, the thread, the zipper, the buttons. For example, if Ankara is 4,000 naira, the lining is 1,500, accessories is 500 naira. That means the total amount of cost of producing that dress is 6,000 naira. There are a lot of mistakes to avoid when knowing how to cost your dress or your products. Number one mistake to avoid is copying other tailors. Know that your rent and theirs are different. Their rent is different from yours. So use your own formula. Don't forget hidden costs. The cost of transport, electricity, machine maintenance. Add 500 naira to 1,000 naira for your hidden cost of machine maintenance. 3. Charging per dress type. A simple gown and a gown with pleats are not the same price. So charge by hours plus complexity that it takes to sew a particular dress. Calculate your time. Don't work for free. Ask yourself, how many hours will it take me to finish up with this dress? What is my hourly rate? You can charge your hourly rate based on 1,500 per hour. If you're already a professional in the game, you can charge 3,000 per hour. For example, if it costs you 4 hours to finish a particular dress, that means 4,000 naira times 2,000 naira per hour, which equals to what? 8,000 naira. Then to calculate your profits, this is what makes it a business, not a hobby. Add 30% to 50%, meaning 6,000 naira plus 8,000 naira equals to 14,000 naira. That means you are going to get 30% profit, which is 4,200 naira. Total equals to 6,000 naira plus 8,000 naira plus 4,242, which equals to 18,200. So that dress you are making should not cost nothing less. Should cost nothing less than 18,000 naira. It should range between 18,000 naira to 20,000 naira minimum. This is how to charge for your dress. For a simple skirt, if you are a beginner, if you are just starting your business, your fashion business, just starting. For a simple skirt, you can charge between 8,000 naira to 12,000 naira. If you're already in the game for a long time, you're already a professional, you can charge 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira for a simple skirt. For two-piece sets, for a beginner, you charge 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira. If you're a professional, you charge 25,000 naira to 35,000 naira. For a bubu or maxi dress, if you're a beginner, you charge 12,000 naira to 18,000 naira. As a professional, you charge nothing less than 20,000 naira to 30,000 naira. You can charge more depending on complexity of the styles and the cost of materials to bring the style to life. For a dress with details, as a beginner, you can charge 25,000 naira upward. Adjust based on fabric, adjust based on your location, adjust based on the cost of producing that particular style. Lagos charges more than other states. Let me know in the comment section, how much do you charge for a simple bubu style? How much do you charge for a two-piece style? How much do you charge for a simple skirt style? Let me know in the comment section. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like, as well as share my videos. Thank you.